My name is Stephanie Rose, Assistant Outreach Officer at the Institute of Jamaica, National Museum Jamaica. And today is a special day because we're celebrating Taino Day today under the theme the Pre-Colombian Taino, hosted by me and Jenna and Florence Gregory of the Taino Heritage Camp. Now it's a fun day. We have engaging activities for you to participate in, and you have a lot of information to learn about the Taino. Also, I just want to say it's a pleasure collaborating with the Taino Heritage Camp, and if you don't know about it, you will learn all about it, and Jenna will be able to tell you a little bit more about it.
Jenna of Yukayekes, and next to me is the founder of the Taino Heritage Camp, BK Florence.
Mabrika.
So the Taino Heritage Camp is an educational heritage centre that focuses on the rejuvenation and dissemination of our Taino heritage in Jamaica. So Koke Yukayeke, or park, is based on 7-acre riverside property. So actually behind us is the River Eden. We have created interactive experiences for schools, families and groups to come down and interact with their Taino heritage. We've been endorsed by the Ministry of Education, and we partner with several Taino communities across the region, including Haiti, Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico, and of course in Jamaica itself. So in a nutshell, we're a platform that brings light to Taino heritage in an interactive and fun way for everybody to enjoy.
Ahom, Jenna.
Mabrika, everybody, and welcome to the Taino Heritage Camp. Thank you so much, Stephanie, for having us come and host Taino Day 2020. We're really excited about today's session. So we're going to be teaching everybody a little bit about the trade that the Tainos of Jamaica had with the different islands across the Caribbean, because we used to move from island to island and we used to trade different things that we didn't have. So if there was like a drought or a big rainstorm and all of our crops died, we would go to another island and they would help us to get like suckers and seeds so we could grow our kanoko. So kanoko is the Taino word for farming. So that's what we're going, and then we're going to be learning about the sounds that we would hear on our journey, and then the sounds that we would have at the big parties called arietos. Okay, so I just want to introduce myself. I am Jenna from the Taino Heritage Camp, and right here we have BK Florence. Can everyone give BK Florence a big thumbs up? All right, say Mabrika, BK Florence. 1, 2, 3.
Mabrika.
Very
Ahom. I said ahom.
And hahom means thank you in Taino. Okay, so does anybody know any of the islands in the Caribbean, in the Greater Antilles? Can you put your hands up if you know any of the islands in the Greater Antilles of the Caribbean? Joseph, do you know any of the islands?
Cuba.
Cuba, very good. So Jamaica would have definitely traded with Cuba. It's one of the closest islands. Jordan, do you want to take yourself off mute? Which other island do you think, apart from, whoops?
You have Haiti.
Haiti, very good. So Haiti is next door to which island? What's the island that's next door to Haiti?
Jamaica, and it's also close to Puerto Rico.
Right, very good. So do you guys want to know how we call those islands in Taino language, in Arawakan? Okay, so Cuba, guess what Cuba was? Cuba, very good. It was called Cuba. And Haiti was called Haiti, okay? And Puerto Rico was called Boriken, and Jamaica was called Yamaye. Yeah, can everyone say Yamaye?
Yeah.
Very nice, right. So yeah, that's what we thought. We thought that Jamaica was called Yamaye. So there's lots of different names that we have. One of them is Examaica or Zamaica. A lot of people, right? A lot of people know that word as well. So can you guys think of any sounds that you think we would hear when we went on our trade lines? So how did we trade with each other? How did we get to the other islands? Because we're small islands covered all the way around us with sea and water. How do you think we got to Cuba from Jamaica? By canoe. Very good. Does anyone know what a canoe would have been made of?
Wood.
Very good. Yeah, they were made of wood, right? From a tree. Okay, so from one tree, we would make our canoes from one tree. Does anyone know what that tree was called? Joel, do you have your hand up? Oh, you don't have your hand up, that's a picture. Does anyone know what the name of the tree was? What type of tree it was? Jaden? Lychee? No, the lychee tree has delicious fruit though. I love the lychee tree. Oh, lignum vitae. No, it wasn't the lignum. We used to make lots of furniture from the lignum vitae tree though. Has anyone ever heard of the cotton tree before?
Yes.
Cotton trees, do you know if cotton trees are small or are they big?
Matthew, why are you doing that? Big.
Yeah, they're big. So how many people do you think we could have fitted into a canoe made from a cotton tree? How many people do you think we could have fit in there?
4 or 5.
About 5. Do you know that some of the caciques would have canoes that were so big we could fit 50 people, up to 50 people in them. Yeah. Some people say 100. And we used to have big sails and we would go across to all the different islands. So what sounds do you think we would hear on our journey? Put your hands up if you know a sound that you think we would hear on our journey. All right, Mirvan?
Chirp. Jamaica. Cricket. Jamaica.
From Jamaica? What sounds do you think we would hear?
Chirp.
Chirp. Okay, let's see if we can find any instruments that make a chirp noise. Hold on.
And Jamaica.
So the Tainos, we used to love the animals and the different sounds that they would be able to make. Can anyone tell me what they think this instrument is?
A flute.
Flute, very good. What is it made from?
Wood.
No, this is made from bamboo, okay, which is a type of wood, yeah, from the bamboo tree. And,
Bamboo green.
we also used to use the trumpet tree to make a lot of flutes as well, okay? So you would blow across the instrument and it would make a beautiful sound that would sound like the birds, okay? So you'd blow right across here.
And listen to this.
Does anyone know what this is? Talking about different...
A seahorn. Conch shell.
A conch shell, very good. So when we would call the people together in our yukayekes, in our villages, we would use a conch shell. Do you think I should blow it?
Yes.
See if we can make a sound?
Yes.
What you have to do, you have to say, kasik, blow your horn. Come on.
Kasi, blow your horn.
Right. Did anybody hear that?
Yes. Yes.
Want to hear it again?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Do you think she was good?
Yes.
All right. Go and say it again. Kasik, kasik, blow your horn.
Kasi ya, blow your horn.
No, you have to say it louder than that.
Kasi ya, blow your horn.
Okay, that was one of the sounds.
So that was one of the sounds that you would hear inside of your canoes, because we would call each other from canoe to canoe, and you would also hear it inside of the yukayeke. So the BK is playing a very special instrument called the mayo hukan. Can everyone say mayo hukan? Okay, so it would be a hollowed out piece of wood. Okay, so we've used bamboo here, but which is already hollow. But some people, they would take like large chunks of wood and they would hollow them out. And then, do you guys see the tongues? Can you see the tongues on there? It's a little bit like a xylophone. You see them?
Yes.
Right? And so when you tap the different parts, it makes a different sound. Okay, so VK is going to play it for you. And you guys can hear the sound of the, what is it called? No, the mayo hukan. Can everyone say mayo hukan?
Mayo hukan.
Very good.
Taino, Daka. Taino.
And in our celebrations,
Why do you have money in your background?
This is another one.
this is another mayo hukan that you guys can make at home. They're very easy to make. When you come down to the Taino Heritage Camp, we can show you guys how to make them. So in our celebrations, we would have the mayo hukan and the maraca. Does anyone have any instruments in their houses that they can play with us?
Did you make a maraca? Did everybody do the maraca? Huh?
Did everyone bring a bottle with some rice in it?
I have a drum.
Have a drum? Bring your drum. All right. So, as a descendant from the Tainos, the young man has his drum set, and you want to join in?
Yeah.
Everyone clap your hands, because our hands are instruments as well. And what else is an instrument on our body? Our voices, right? Can I get everyone to sing this song with me? It goes like this. Daka Taino, 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 Daka Taino. So Daka means I am, and Taino is Taino. So I'm gonna unmute everybody, and I want everybody to join in and sing Daka Taino, Daka Taino. Can you guys do that?
What's a Taino?
Daka.
Daka.
No.
Everyone say Daka.
No.
Daka.
Taino.
Taino.
Daka Taino. So everyone say Daka Taino, Daka Taino, Daka Taino, Daka Taino, Daka Taino, Taino, Daka Taino, Daka Taino. All right, guys, your turn now. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Daka Taino, 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 Daka Taino.
We only heard one.
I think we hear one mummy singing. What about all of the children? You guys are going to sing with us this time? Ria, do you want to sing with us? Izzy, turn off your mute, darling, so we can hear you. And Joel as well. Turn off your mute so that we can hear you. Alexis, you want to join us? You want to join us in the Taino song?
Of course.
All right, great. So is everyone ready? Everyone put their thumbs up. Are you guys ready? Okay, great. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Daka Taino.
No. Daka Taino.
Daka Taino.
No. Daka Taino.
Daka Taino.
Daka Taino. Daka Taino.
Daka Taino.
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 Taino. Taino.
All right, guys. Everyone's feeling a little bit shy on the internet.
Daka Taino.
All right, so we also wanted to teach you guys about some of the sounds that you would hear in the village. So that's some of the sounds that you would hear at the celebrations and some of the sounds that you would hear as you traveled across the oceans, okay? Now, inside of the village, there were lots of things. When it rained, what kind of sounds do you think the rain would make?
Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter.
What's this sound? What's this sound?
Oh God.
What do you think? Does that
Does that sound like rain?
Best performance.
No, it would make
I was wondering why I couldn't see.
pitter patter, 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 pitter patter.
Okay, pitter patter.
Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter.
You can't say pitter patter, pitter patter. Listen what's happening. Listen what happened. Rain falling. Well, listen to rain. When rain falling, listen to rain fall. When you come outside and look at you see rain, no sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
And then our work would make lots of sounds too. Anyone ever seen something that looks like this before?
No.
Anyone see what it is?
Definitely not. Yeah, man.
It's called a mortar and pestle, okay? Can you see it now?
Mortar and pestle.
A mortar and pestle, okay?
Pestle.
See the pencil here? See it here? You see?
Pestle.
You can see it? Who can see it? Can anybody see it?
Can you guys see this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, all right. Okay, and this is the mortar, all right? So what kind of things do you think we would put inside of the mortar?
Miss, I have one. Miss, I have a smaller version.
Somebody's got
Put your hands up if you know what we would put inside of our mortar and pestle. Ria, what do you think?
Pimento. Pimento.
Pimento, very good. Okay, we'd also put chocolate beans, cocoa beans in there to make hot chocolate.
coffee.
And coffee. Ria said coffee. And then sometimes we would put our medicines in there as well. So we would put leaves and stuff like that in there and pound them all up together so that we could make our teas. Anyone here ever had bush tea before?
No, sir.
No, sir. All right. So what kind of sound do you think this would make?
Boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
You guys want to hear it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You guys can hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
man. Yeah,
All
man.
right, great. And we would pound our cassava to make flour. We would pound the cocoa to make cocoa pods. And we would make music. And we would learn our work.
Taino, Daka Taino, Daka Taino. Daka Taino, Daka Taino, Daka Fino, Daka Taino.
So I want to thank everybody for joining us today. Did you guys learn anything new? Put your hands up if you learned something new. Okay, what did you learn, Mr. Kamani? What did you learn? I can't hear you very clearly. Jaden, what did you learn, Jaden? Mm-hmm. You learned Daka Taino. All right, so you learned a new song. Alexis, did you learn anything new today?
I also learned Zaka Taino, Zaka Zaka Taino.
So we learned all
That's
about.
gonna be stuck in my head, in Auntie Lexi head all night.
I love
Thank you.
it. I love it. That's the perfect thing to be stuck in our heads.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for joining us today. Oh, the flute and the Taino sounds. Yes, that's true. We had many beautiful, beautiful sounds that used to come out
There's
of our
supposed to be
villages.
some sort of trading thing today.
Say that again, darling.
There was supposed to be some sort of trading thing.
Yeah, you can trade some songs.
We traded
We
traded
our
sounds and we traded songs, and we came along the seas, and we came from all the different islands, and we learned the names of all the different islands as well. Okay, so those were the trade lines that we learned.
So can I just ask something before we go? Trading, like when you hear music, like say, you think they're trading their music? Do you think people trade their music? Anybody know any musicians?
Yes.
Tell me a musician now. You know.
Bob Marley.
Huh?
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley, yeah, that's right. You think he traded it? He traded his music?
Yes.
What do you think he got for his music? Let me know. You think he got any money?
Yes, yes.
All right, so you think that is trading?
Reggae music.
I like that. So he got reggae music for his music? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So Bob Marley was a great trader of Jamaica, not so? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. We have to look at things from different angles. Yeah?
So did everybody have fun today?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes, we
Alright.
did a lot of fun.
Yeah, we did a lot of fun stuff and made lots of noise. All right, guys, thank you for joining us. And I'm glad that everybody learned something a little bit new today. So if everyone says hahom, then we can sign off. Hahom means thank you. So 1, 2, 3.
Hum.
Hahom.
Ahom, Jenna.
Hum.
Ahom, BK. Hey, Ahom, BK.